arrived here this year, the third month. Is
It's
November.
March.
March. That's March. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
March on 8.
And so you have been almost 7 months.
Yeah, I have been 7 months. Yeah. And then some people they like surprised or what. I can't wait like 3 hours or 4 hours being stuck in the airport and to catch my plane. And you've been here like 7 months, and you just it's really I can't describe. It's hurting. The hardest living here was sleeping on the floor and with this voice, and we don't know. The hardest is even like we don't know when we're gonna be out of here. It's better to be. I hope I prefer. It's better to be in prison. Being here and seeing people, everyone is passing you, and you can't go outside. Everyone is asking you when you're going outside. I think like being in prison and being stuck in the airport for long with this time is better than prison. We lived with the transit people, and the transit people tried to help us, and, it was very hard. Can't describe. It was daily. We have to eat like once.
So people gave money, or they
Sometimes
just
give money, sometimes give sandwich, something like that.
okay.
And usually we never even try of thinking eating.
Okay. Yeah.
So I can't sleep here in the floor. Even I feel pain in the kidneys, pain in the back.
Yeah.
Even me, I'm sick. I don't get a good doctor here.
Yeah.
So the life here is very hard to me.
And I just want to put the government of any government try to help us with this life and with this depression and stress to take us off. So we can't go back to Somalia, and we can't stay here, and we don't have a choice. We don't know what to do. We don't have anything anything to think of. We're just hoping someday we're gonna be out of here. And just want to ask the world and everyone who is listens to me try to help us and do something, some change. Thank you.